Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Payoneer login not working step by step. First, make sure that your internet connection is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you are using a browser, clear your browser cache and cookies. After that, swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Look for Payoneer, swipe it away completely, wait for a while and reopen it. Or you can also try using a different browser if you are using browser. Next, check if you are entering the correct email ID and password. Make sure that the caps lock is not turned on. If you forgot your password, use the reset password or forgot password option and then create a new one following the steps. After that, if the problem proceeds, restart your phone or computer. Also, check if Payoneer servers are down by visiting their social media pages. In most cases, clearing cache, changing browser, or resetting password fixes the issue. That's how to fix the Payoneer login not working. If this helped, don't forget to